In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a VAT number in Shopify. This is really important. If you're operating in a region where VAT applies and you want your invoices from Shopify to show your correct tax information. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin and what to enter, so everything is set up properly for your billing. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store's admin area. You should be on the main home screen of the Shopify admin, where you can see your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple stores, because the VAT number you add will be tied to this specific store's billing. From the dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This will open a page with a list of different configuration areas for your store, like General Settings, Payments, and so on. Settings is where Shopify keeps all the behind-the-scenes options, including billing and tax information. Next, in the Settings area, find and click on Billing. This section controls how Shopify charges you for your subscription, apps, and other fees. It's also where you manage the tax details that will appear on your Shopify invoices, such as your VAT number. On the billing page, look at the first section, which is titled Upcoming Bill. In this section, you'll see a small pen or edit icon. Click on that pen icon. This tells Shopify that you want to edit the billing details that apply to your future invoices, including your tax information. Once the edit view opens, you'll see an option labeled Add VAT Number. Click on this option. If you already have some billing details set, this may appear near your billing address or tax information area. A form will now appear where you can type in your VAT number. Carefully enter your VAT number exactly as it appears in your official registration. Double check the format and ensure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters, as this can cause validation issues or lead to incorrect information on your invoices. When you're confident the number is correct, click on the button labeled Add VAT Number. Shopify will save this information to your billing profile. From this point on, your VAT number will appear on your Shopify invoices, helping you stay compliant and making your bookkeeping and tax reporting